In the last video, we used two different resistors. And in this video, we are going to use a different resistor called knob resistor. Let's take the power module. The knob. This is how it looks like. The light. And 3 cables. Use the cables to connect the power module, the knob, and the light in a series circuit. If you want, you can also fix all the modules on the board. Okay, if you turn the knob, you can see the light become dimmer or brighter. Okay, let me turn off the light in the room so you can see clearly. Okay, so now the light is quite bright. I'm going to turn the knob and the light become dimmer. Turn the other way around. The light become brighter. So this knob is actually a resistor that you can change its levels. When you turn the knob in one direction, the resistance goes up. The light become dimmer. If you turn the knob in the other direction, the resistance goes down. The light become brighter.